When the time came to consider the energy needs of our brand new renovation, we knew we were going to go with solar. The solar panels go on the roof and they collect all of that sunlight and then bring that energy down into the inverter. It's actually the inverter that then transforms that into the energy and connects it into the house. Our GoodWe inverter is a good looking unit. The technology is fantastic and the service was great. It allows us to monitor the amount of energy that we're making each day, even on a partly cloudy day. And it also allows us to upgrade later and add a battery when we're ready. When we installed the inverter and the solar panels, we also decided to include an EV charger. I don't have an electric car yet, but I can see that we're definitely going that direction. The combination of our inverter and the EV charger means that we have the technology ready and make the most of what Mother Nature is putting out every day. Thanks, GoodWe.